Forests are the lungs of the earth. They counteract global warming, provide work for millions of people, and help fight poverty. The forests enable all life on Earth to exist and hold the planet's most important material, wood. Wood allows us to produce materials with properties that plastic, fabric, and steel can only dream of. Just imagine thin, unbreakable glass, cars that weigh a tenth of what they do now, and packages that alert you when your milk is getting old. Wood fibres are lighter than plastic, stronger than steel, and are already widely used in many structures and products today, and the benefits to the environment are enormous. But powerful forces are working against progress. People are on the hunt for quick money, with tremendous devastation as a result. Forests are disappearing at a rate that corresponds to an area the size of half of Sweden's forests annually. Human activity has left behind vast areas of devastated forest land, and today 50% of the Earth's original forest cover is gone. Reversing this trend is one of the greatest challenges we face today, and doing so is absolutely necessary for our survival. But what does this have to do with us here at Bovalls? Well, we have to say everything. We have been building the highest quality doors since the 1940s, and it has always been our love of fine craftsmanship and the material that has driven us forward. So for us, the forest and the proper handling of the material we use are the most important things. Even today, one of our doors is crafted by a single artisan who takes full responsibility, from the selection of the material to the finished door. Our woodworking process is planned to make traditional craftsmanship more efficient, without affecting the quality of the finished product. Once the woodworker has selected just the right piece of timber, only then does he turn it into boards. And everything is done by hand using traditional methods. There are machines that can do all of this on an assembly line, but when you build one door at a time, a manual machine provides much better control. The frame is joined together by hand using a traditional technique. No machine in the world can replicate the feel for the wood, knowing when it sits just right, and do this for each and every door. Bovalls Dörrbyggeri is a small company with a very big heart. Every working day of the year, we gather together around 11 o'clock to share a coffee, the day's news, or just have a good chat. Once the glue has dried, the door is polished before it's finally cut and milled for handles and fittings. We actually do take advantage of modern technology for this step, as it is very difficult to lift solid wood doors and mill by hand. And of course, we finish with oil, set in the glaze, and paint the doors themselves. A single door takes a woodworker a full day to build. Then it is ready to be installed for at least a single lifetime. Building a door that lasts a lifetime requires hardwoods that are very difficult to get hold of if you want to use only sustainability harvested wood. Of course, we only use certified wood, but we do so much more by working together with organisations and suppliers who preserve the forests, breed trees, and create jobs when they are needed most. We create transparency and know where every tree used in our doors comes from. This makes us a truly unique company. You may call it a door. We call it wood, hope, and love in our fantastic little Bovallstrand, Sweden.